What if feeling everything more deeply isn't a flaw, but a measurable feature of how some nervous systems are actually built? Psychologist Kazimierz Dabrowski identified what he called psychic overexcitabilities, stable, measurable differences in how a nervous system processes the world. Emotional intensity isn't mood instability, it isn't immaturity. It's a sensitivity dial calibrated permanently higher than most people's. Psychologist Elaine Aron estimated roughly 20% of the population qualifies as highly sensitive. Her 2010 neuroimaging study showed these individuals display greater activation in brain regions tied to awareness and empathy when processing emotional input. Aron found this sensitivity trait across over 100 species. It's an ancient evolutionary strategy, a biological bet that some individuals should notice more and feel more. But the quiet, information-scarce environments that shaped this trait no longer exist. Because the world calibrates to the majority, emotionally intense people are routinely misread. Their depth registers as drama, their grief as overreaction. That illegibility becomes its own quiet erosion, slowly reshaping how a person understands their own emotional life from the inside. Here's the counterintuitive part. A 2011 Stanford study showed that suppressing emotional intensity doesn't reduce it. It increases physiological arousal. The feeling goes underground, but the nervous system keeps the score, regardless. Researcher Mihai Csikszentmihalyi found that people reporting the most emotional pain also reported the highest creative output. The same depth cuts both ways. Emotional intensity increases dopaminergic sensitivity. The reward signal from a finished piece of work arrives louder. The exhaustion emotionally intense people carry is real. It's the metabolic cost of running a more complex perceptual system, a body that processes what others filter out. If 20% of people are wired this way, the question isn't whether something is wrong with them. It's why we keep acting like it is. Interested to learn more? Watch the full video on default mode.